Hey everyone, it's Ankit. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I want to talk about SoFi, and there's been a lot of news and a lot of excitement for SoFi, so I wanted to bring it up, and this video is going to be a long one, so just sit down and enjoy the video and let's hear what I have to say. If you're excited about today's video, then drop a like. It really does help out and support everything I'm doing. Leave a comment with what you're excited about with SoFi and what you think the price target is for SoFi. Subscribe if you're new for weekly videos on investing and life. With all that out of the way, let's get into today's video about SoFi. So here's why I think SoFi is going to be an amazing stock and why I currently buy more and I'm going to buy more, and I currently use the app. So Fintech startup Varo bank triples valuation to $2.5 billion after gaining bank charter. And if you scroll down in this article, by owning its bank, San Francisco-based Varo has an array of funding and cost advantages compared to most of its competitors. That has enabled it to offer higher interest rates, instant cash advances, and access to TSLA payments network. Before granted its charter, Varo partnered with Bancorp. We effectively eliminated the intermediaries. Those are the real costs that we cut out. We can now use to create more value for our customers and the shareholders. So this is why I think SoFi is going to do amazing things and going to generate more revenue and continue to develop the application and find ways to innovate it. So here's the financing breakdown for SoFi Stadium, the home of the Los Angeles Rams and Raiders. It's just opened in 2020. Total costs $5 billion. Private funds $5 billion. Public funds 0. Public shares 0%. SoFi Stadium is the most expensive sports venue ever built in this country and is the centerpiece of 300-acre multi-purpose development site in Southern California. The city is providing tax breaks that could reach $100 million over time. The stadium will host the 2022 Super Bowl and event for the 2028 Summer Olympics. So SoFi Stadium agrees far-reaching Square deal for venue payments. Square POS software will allow fans inside the stadium, which opened 2020, to make rapid transactions and countless payments from their seats. You don't even have to get up. And the company software provides insight and analytics for management teams at SoFi, such as best-selling products, most popular times for customers to make purchases. Square's integrated products and platform enable sellers of all sizes to run their businesses. Square is at the forefront of innovation across payment and transactions and shares our passion for incredible customer service. As a cashless venue, our partnership will offer fast and reliable and secure contactless payments for guests that helps to create a safe and seamless experience at SoFi Stadium. SoFi Stadium is a world-class facility and the largest stadium in the NFL. Maintaining that level of service requires selecting technology partners who can match that scale. So I think Square can match that scale and go above it and beyond. Now, according to Tip Ranks and also this analyst, SoFi could hit $28, but I believe SoFi can hit more than $28 in the long term. And that's why I continuously hold SoFi, and I'm going to look to buy more. If you look at what SoFi is and what the application does, which I will discuss later in this video, SoFi has a lot to offer to customers, small companies, small businesses, and they also make it real simple for you to use the application. If you need loans, it's there. If you want to invest, it's there. So the future of fintechs, and then SoFi offers all that fintech and amazing products and services. So that's why I believe that SoFi will hit more than $28 in the long term and has a lot of potential, and I can see it growing a lot. Why SoFi technology stock could rise to 80% or more. SoFi currently has 1.85 million members as of the fourth quarter of 2020. The company rose from 704,000 members in 2019 to a whopping 2.6 million plus users at the end of Q2 in 2021. SoFi is a one-stop shop for users. It offers its Galileo platform, which caters to offering businesses in the industry and SoFi is the one-stop shop for users. Its Galileo platform caters to other businesses in the industry and has seen a significant growth in its account. It reported an increase of more than 100% year over year in the last 4 quarters, and this is only the beginning. SoFi's products have shown 123% year over year growth. So according to this article, the reason we're going to see SoFi have a massive upside, a massive growth, is because of their rapid revenue growth, the path to profitability, and possible acquisitions that they have. So the one thing that makes SoFi different from Square, even though they're partnering up with the stadium, is their missions and the products they're offering. The business that SoFi is in lending, financial services, SoFi Money, SoFi Investing, and they have Galileo. While Square, has their devices, and for small companies and small businesses, you have these devices where people can use their credit cards and makes it easier, and they have also the small tablets. So it's pretty much the mission that they both have and then the product they're offering. That's what the difference is between both of them. SoFi Stock and strategic acquisitions. Its first notable purchase was Galileo Finance, which is acquired for $1.2 billion. Galileo is a platform that allows other businesses to join and offer services to their customers. Its growth has been impressive, with 79 million customers accounts and counting. Galileo offers APIs for a range of fintech products like issuing credit card and debit cards, creating bank accounts, and billing payment software. First notable purchase was Galileo Finance, which is acquired for $1.2 billion. Galileo is a platform that allows other businesses to join and offer services to their customers. Its growth has been impressive, with 79 million customer accounts. Galileo offers APIs for a range of fintech products like issuing credit and debit cards, creating bank accounts, and bill payment software. Another company that they acquired recently was Golden Pacific Bancorp, which helped the company get the national bank charter that it's always wanted and always needed. It has been eyeing this for a while. The charter will allow SoFi to make its own loans in the future. This is a key acquisition. Another acquisition SoFi made was Golden Pacific Bancorp, which helps the company get that national bank charter it has been eyeing for a while. The charter will allow SoFi to make its own loans in the future. This is a key acquisition in expanding its presence in the market. Once the company gets the national bank charter, the sky is the limit, which might happen sooner than you think. And here's why. A national bank charter will allow SoFi to accept deposits and make loans that use SoFi members' deposit versus the higher cost of funding for its loans offering as a non-bank, creating efficiency and enabling the company to offer more choices and compelling to value to its customers. About Bancorp Inc. Golden Pacific Bancorp is a banking holding company which, with consolidating assets of approximately $150 million. Golden Pacific Bancorp Inc. conducts business through its bank subsidiary. Here's SoFi's management. World-class management team. Definitely is, with all the different diversified groups that we have here. We have Anthony, who's the CEO. He's been with Goldman Sachs, the NFL, Twitter. You have Chris, who's been with Uber. You have Maria, who's been with Amazon. Then you have Annie, who's been with Stryker and Tesla. And then you had the head of engineering and product and design, who's been with Amazon and Microsoft. This is a well diversified team that they have here, and I think they're gonna do amazing things and only make this app even better with all their ideas and innovation that they have planned for it. So I can't wait to see what they are gonna do and what they have planned. Here's why I think it's going to be sooner. As you can see, the president, Chad Barton, has SoFi Bank, not SoFi Technologies or SoFi, but at SoFi, as you can see. But you know, he's saying SoFi Bank, which got me thinking this bank charter is going to happen sooner than later. And here's Paul Mayer, President, SoFi Bank, in formation, Vice President, Corporate Strategy at SoFi. And as you can see, he's been the President of SoFi Bank Information, Vice President, Corporate Strategy of SoFi for about 2 years. So all of this got me thinking that the bank charter will happen sooner than later. Galileo processed over 53 billion of annualized payments volume in March 2020, up from 26 billion in September 2019. SoFi Money is already tightly integrated with Galileo's payment platform, including several of its leading accounts and events API functionality. So both Galileo and SoFi had a strong quarter. Specifically, Galileo expanded accounts on its platform to 79 million, up from 36 million a year ago. The company's net revenue also jumped 138% year over year. SoFi is the one-stop shop for users. You can save, spend, invest, borrow money on the platform. Its Galileo platform caters to offer businesses in the industry and has seen significant growth in its accounts. It reported an increase of more than 100% year over year in the last 4 quarters. And this is just the beginning. SoFi products has shown 123% year over year growth. Let's see what products and what things they have to offer. So SoFi offers student loan refinance, personal loan, home loan, undergrad student loan, SoFi Money, a way to invest, graduate student loans, resident refinance, JD MBA student loans, parent plus refi, parent student loans, graduate student loans, resident refi, life insurance, auto loan refinance, auto loan insurance, small business loans. And this is just the beginning. I think they're going to have a lot more to offer. And then you can also buy crypto on here. So here's how SoFi grew its products and over the years and the quarters. As you can see, they went from money, invest, home loans, in-school loans. They started off with student loans. And SoFi products, as well as might be the super app for the US, like China, Alipay, and India. Like India is also PTM, the pay app. And looking at this picture, you can see the strong growth, 151% year over year growth in quarterly adjusted net revenue. And here's the member growth, 8 consecutive quarters of accelerating year over year growth with the members. And this is in thousands. So, and if you look on the right, here's the product growth. And if you look on the bottom left, the products by segment and its growth. And then on the bottom right, the technology platform accounts in millions. That is really, really good growth. Let's compare it to Robinhood. So Robinhood funding versus valuation. This is what the chart is showing. Comparable to Robinhood's, which reported to be at 400 to 600 million in revenue and valued at 12 billion in their previous round. So one can make the case that for a 20 billion or 24 billion valuation stretch, SoFi is above that. SoFi adds 7 new crypto coins, and they include Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, and the other new additions are here. They are. So now you can buy and sell these crypto coins on SoFi. Here's the NFL schedule for the SoFi Stadium in 2021. All the LA games and the Charger games for the Rams and the Chargers. So this is going to be a great way for SoFi to advertise their software and everything else that they have to offer. At the same time, hosting events like music concerts, football, and other events. And then they're probably going to make a lot of money from having their name on the stadium and not have to pay for it. Have the taxpayers most likely pay for the stadium. And then it's also going to help small businesses around the stadium, because before and after events, people are going to go out for drinking or get some food. So they can go do that near the stadium. So it's going to be helping out businesses around there. So all in all, it's a great thing to have SoFi Stadium. The only thing that might be bad is having taxpayers, maybe pay for the stadium and making it. That's the only bad part I see from it. So here's another great marketing or another great article for SoFi. The best and worst food at SoFi Stadium. This article goes over all different foods that they have to offer. As you can see, here's the sandwich or burger sandwich, whatever you want to call it. Here's all the different items they have there and you can buy when you go to the stadium. All of it looks pretty good. Here's another chili dog at the stadium, chocolate chip cookies, a beef burrito right here with guacamole and some kind of sauce, a dog and some kind of sauce, meatballs,